Welcome back. In part 2, we will talk about the actuators, sensors, and smart devices that PT 7.0 now has built into the program. These are only simulations and can be used for demonstrating how IoT works. IoT items are categorized as actuators, sensors, or smart devices. There are IoT categories used for many different scenarios in PT. Be sure to look over each category in the device navigation area. We break the IoT items into components and small devices. The components are those items that are raw one-function things that can be connected to a small board computer. Smart devices connect onto the network and interact with the new home gateway and registration server. Actuators show or cause a reaction to the environment around them. They can be connected to an MCU or SBC board with an IoE cable. They may be connected via the network to a registration server or home gateway. Check the Specifications tab and sample files to find out more about these actuators. Sensors are components of a smart device. They do one thing that can then be connected to an MCU or SBC board, which in turn can be connected to the network. These items are modeled after the Arduino and SmartKits. Smart devices have combined functionality and are very easy to use. They already have some form of a sensor and react to an actuator inside themselves or to a connected device. These devices are very much like buying a smart thermostat for your home and can be connected to sensors or actuators. One way to understand the IoE items is to open them and see what they contain. It is also recommended that you open each PT7 IoT sample file to see how they are used. Let's open the Smart Devices file. Click on any smart device, then click on the Specifications tab to read what it can do and how it's connected. Click on the Advanced button to see all the tabs. You can also add ports for more flexibility and programming. This includes wireless, USB, and digital and analog ports. Click on the Physical tab in order to turn on or connect the device to power. This is where you will configure your IP address if used and determine if you want local or remote monitoring of your devices. Click on the Thing Editor tab to create an animation when an object is alt-clicked on or programmed. You can see that the thermostat has images and has been programmed for you. Click on the Programming tab to edit the running script or to add a new script. You also run or stop the script. You can run, stop, edit, or create a new script for your device. There are many built-in scripts already created for you. Click on the Attributes tab to see physical properties and the environment effects of the device. This feature allows you to see how much power your device uses so you could determine the amount of power needed for a wiring closet or any other container. Also, you see what environmental factors affect the device. The home gateway and registration server become the control panel for you to monitor or control your IoT components and devices. The home gateway is almost identical to a home gateway you might get as part of your ISP connection. This ends part 2. In part 3, we will build a smart home using the new features of Packet Tracer 7.0. Thank you.